Did you know that Mauritania is home to some of the most advanced future technologies in Africa? The Sahara Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes, scorching sun, and ancient mysteries. Yet nestled within this timeless landscape lies a nation embracing the future at a breathtaking pace. Mauritania, once known for its nomadic traditions, is transforming into a hub for cutting-edge technologies. From the skies above to the roads below, innovation is blossoming in this remarkable corner of Africa. It is a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of progress in a region often overlooked. This is the story of Mauritania, a nation embracing the future and inviting the world to witness its transformation. The path to technological advancement is rarely smooth, and Mauritania's journey is no exception. This remarkable transformation is unfolding against a backdrop of challenges, a testament to the nation's unwavering commitment to progress. Access to reliable infrastructure, including electricity and internet connectivity, remains a hurdle in certain areas. Bridging the digital divide is crucial, ensuring that all citizens can partake in the benefits of this technological revolution. Education and training programs are essential, equipping the workforce with the skills needed to thrive in this new digital landscape. Despite these challenges, a spirit of optimism and determination pervades. The government has demonstrated a strong commitment to fostering a thriving tech ecosystem, investing in infrastructure development and promoting digital literacy initiatives. Private sector partnerships are flourishing, injecting capital and expertise into the burgeoning tech scene. Imagine a fleet of drones soaring over vast fields, their sensors scanning every inch of the land below. This is not a scene from a science fiction film. It is the reality of modern agriculture in Mauritania. These drones monitor crop health, assess irrigation needs, and identify potential problems with incredible accuracy. This data-driven approach optimizes yields, conserves resources, and enhances sustainability. The impact extends beyond individual farms, transforming food security, boosting output and reducing reliance on imports, crucial for Mauritania's economy and livelihoods. The roar of combustion engines is slowly giving way to the near-silent hum of electric motors as Mauritania embraces the electric vehicle revolution. Picture this: sleek, modern EVs gliding through the streets of Nouakchott, their batteries charged by the abundant Saharan sun. It is a powerful symbol of the nation's commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable future. The government has taken proactive steps to encourage the adoption of EVs, introducing incentives for both consumers and businesses. Charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding, making it increasingly convenient to own and operate an EV in Mauritania. This transition to electric mobility is not merely about reducing emissions, it is about embracing a new era of transportation efficiency and energy independence. The shift to EVs aligns perfectly with Mauritania's abundant solar energy potential. Harnessing the power of the sun to fuel its transportation sector positions the nation as a leader in renewable energy adoption, setting an example for other countries in the region and beyond. Beyond drones and electric cars, a glimpse into Mauritania's tech landscape. While drones and electric cars may grab the headlines, they are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Mauritania's burgeoning tech scene. Across various sectors, innovation is thriving, driven by a new generation of entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts eager to harness the power of technology to solve local challenges and drive progress. In healthcare, telemedicine is bridging the gap between patients in remote areas and qualified medical professionals in urban centres. Mobile health applications are empowering individuals to take control of their well-being, providing access to vital health information and services at their fingertips. The fintech sector is also experiencing rapid growth, with mobile money solutions revolutionizing financial inclusion and empowering individuals who were previously excluded from traditional banking systems. These innovations are not merely transforming individual lives, they are reshaping the very fabric of Mauritanian society, fostering economic growth and creating new opportunities for all. A moment of technological marvel, witnessing the self-driving future. I stood on the side of a newly constructed road in Mauritania, the sun beating down on the asphalt. It was a road like any other, except for the anticipation hanging in the air, thick and palpable. We were there to witness a demonstration of something extraordinary. A self-driving vehicle, navigating the roads of Mauritania with no human intervention. As the sleek, futuristic car approached, its sensors whirring softly, a wave of awe washed over me. This was not just a car. It was a symbol of humanity's boundless capacity for innovation, a testament to our ability to push the boundaries of what is possible. The car completed the course flawlessly, its onboard systems effortlessly handling the challenges of the road. In that moment, I caught a glimpse of a future where transportation is transformed, where accidents are minimized, and where the possibilities are as limitless as the open road itself. A vision of tomorrow, Mauritania's sustainable and innovative future. Mauritania's embrace of future tech is not simply about keeping pace with global trends, it is about charting a course towards a more sustainable, prosperous, and equitable future for its people. By harnessing the power of technology, Mauritania is addressing some of its most pressing challenges and unlocking new opportunities for growth and development. Imagine a Mauritania where precision agriculture powered by drones ensures food security for all, where electric vehicles silently navigate streets powered by renewable energy, and where access to healthcare and financial services is no longer limited by geography or circumstance. This is the vision of tomorrow that Mauritania is actively building today. It is a vision of a nation where technology is not an end in itself, but a powerful tool for positive change, a catalyst for progress, and a beacon of hope for a brighter future. Keep exploring. The journey through global tech continues. Our journey through the world of future tech does not end here. From the bustling streets of megacities to the remote corners of the globe, innovation is reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. Join me as we continue to explore the transformative power of technology, uncovering inspiring stories of progress, ingenuity, and the unwavering human spirit that drives us to reach for the stars. Together, let us marvel at the wonders of the digital age, engage in thought-provoking discussions about the ethical implications of these advancements, and ultimately embrace the power of technology to create a better future for all. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are truly limitless. Please join us next time for more informative videos.